Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a reliable and user-friendly crypto wallet in 2025, Trust Wallet might be the perfect choice for you. In this video, we are diving deep into Trust Wallet, its features, pros and cons, security features, and everything you need to know before you download it. So make sure to check out the link in the description to download Trust Wallet directly. So Trust Wallet is a decentralized non-custodial crypto wallet that lets you store, send and receive thousands of cryptocurrencies. It's owned by Binance, which is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, but operates independently. One of the key highlight of Trust Wallet is that you can control your private keys, which means you are in full control of your crypto assets, not a third party. Now, Trust Wallet supports over 70 blockchains and more than 4.5 million assets, including popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and even NFTs. So, whether you are holding Solana, Avalanche, or meme coins, Trust Wallet has you covered. Now, if we talk about its features, you can switch between blockchains easily without needing separate wallets. You can get access to the decentralized applications or dApps directly from the wallet. This include DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and decentralized exchanges. You can earn passive income by staking coins like BNB, Cosmos, and Cardano directly from the application. Trust Wallet now offers seamless NFT integration, view, trade, and store NFTs from Ethereum, Solana, and more. You can even buy crypto directly with your credit card, Apple Pay, or bank transfer. Now, if we talk about the security, which is a major focus for Trust Wallet, since it is a non-custodian wallet, your private keys are stored locally on your device and not on Trust Wallet servers. This minimizes the risk of hacking. The key security features of Trust Wallets are biometrics, backup and recovery feature, and open source code. So if I talk about the pros and cons of Trust Wallet in a nutshell, if we talk about the pros, Trust Wallet is free to download and use. It supports a massive range of tokens and blockchains. It has user-friendly interface for beginners and experts. It will give you direct dApp access and staking options, and private keys are also fully under your control. If we talk about the cons, you will not get the desktop version as friendly as the mobile version is. Trust Wallet lacks multi-signature support, which could enhance security. Now, who should actually use Trust Wallet? So Trust Wallet is perfect if you are a beginner who is looking for a simple way to store crypto. If you are a NFT collectors who want to store and manage their assets. If you are a DeFi users who need access to the dApps and staking platforms, and if you are a long-term holder who value having full control over their private keys. So if you want to get started with Trust Wallet, I have created a separate video on this topic, which I will put the link of it down in the description. So do check that out, step-by-step guide for Trust Wallet. So that is my complete Trust Wallet review for 2025. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto content. And don't forget to check the link in the description to download Trust Wallet and start your crypto journey today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.